Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your Instagram insights. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then if your account is already a professional account, you may see a professional dashboard right below your bio. And this is where you can see your Instagram insights. So just click on that. And in here you may find insights like account reach, engagement, total followers for the last 30 days. So just click on what you want to see. So you will be provided a more detailed information of what's going on in your account. But you may also choose a specific time range like last 14 days, previous months, or a custom range. So just choose a date range and click update to see insights for that particular time. And that's how you can easily check your Instagram insights. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!